It is important to take out some time for yourself in your busy life. To do what you like. Get out of family, children, work, and take some time for yourself. Spend time with yourself. You will find the meaning of living. A few tips to keep in mind to draw anything well. 1. To understand any complex drawing easily, first practice basic shapes like straight lines, circles, squares, etc. 2. Use reference when drawing anything. Reference pictures or actual objects will help you when drawing. 3. The use of light and shadow is very important for realism in any painting. The true beauty of a picture can be brought out by understanding light and shade. 4. Drawing well takes time. Practice drawing by spending some time every day. 5. Take feedback. Get feedback from others about your work and try to improve accordingly. 6. Watch the work of artists. Watch the work of professional artists and learn from their style. 7. The most important thing is to enjoy drawing. The more fun you have, the more you can learn and improve. In this selfish world, when nothing feels right, your own skills can be your best friend. Anyone who learns to draw can recreate the story of their life. Drawing is not just a hobby, it is a powerful means of expressing feelings. When one draws, his mind and heart become one, which unleashes creativity. It calms a person mentally and de-stresses. So carry on everyone. Thanks for watching video. Bye bye and please subscribe our channel, don't forget, okay.